Hi everybody, this is Teacher Diane, and I wanted to say how much I love you and miss you, mwah, and hope that everybody's doing well. Here we are, we're all staying at home for a little while so that we can stay safe and not get or spread this virus, but hopefully it won't be too long before we're all back together again. But I'm here to read you a story, and it's a story called The Dog Who Cried Wolf. It's by Kiko Kaza, and she wrote the story and she also drew the pictures. Mocha was a good dog. He and Michelle loved to be together. Life was perfect until one day she read a book about wolves. Look, Mocha, said Michelle, you're kind of like a wolf. Here are some pictures in the book about wolves, and here's Mocha. He's reading the book. Wow, thought Mocha, I am kind of like a wolf. But look how amazing wolves are. They run around free, they hunt wild animals, and they stay up late to howl at the moon. And look at the way I live. I'm nothing but a house pet, he said. He felt like a failure, especially when Michelle made him dress up for her tea parties. He wanted to be a wolf. The next day, Mocha made up his mind. He snuck out of the house and he took off for the mountains. He ran and he ran and he ran. Look how fast he is. Until finally he reached the mountaintop. And he yelled, I'm free as a wolf. He ran, he jumped, he danced, and he peed wherever he wanted. Wow, he exclaimed, the world is mine. Soon, though, Mocha got hungry. No problem, he said. I'll hunt for my food just like the wolves do. And off he went. Can you see the rabbit over here? He's gonna try to catch that rabbit. But the rabbit outran him. And the skunk sprayed him. And a beetle pinched him. And even a field mouse made fun of him. See him looking down the field mouse hole while the mouse made an escape over there. By nightfall, Mocha was miserable. He missed Michelle. I even miss her tea parties, he mumbled. But I can't give up just yet. There is just one more thing I have to try. He gazed at the golden full moon, and he howled as loudly as he could. Howl, ow, 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 just like a wolf. Suddenly, though, something howled back. Howl, howl. Mocha froze. Wolves, he cried. Real wolves. Can you see the real wolves down here howling? They're howling at the moon, just like Mocha. Mocha got scared. He turned and he raced down the mountain. I want to go home, he panted. I never want to be a wolf again. He ran and ran and ran. Until finally he reached the house that he knew so well. Mocha, Michelle shouted as she ran from her house. And I don't know if you can see, but right here on their mailbox, Michelle had made a sign, said missing dog. Answers to the name Mocha. Please call Michelle if you see him. Michelle said, "You're back." Look how happy they both are to see each other. They love each other. And Mocha was home again. And he and Michelle were so happy. Life was just perfect until one day Michelle read a book about monkeys. And there's Michelle. She is acting like a monkey. She's eating bananas and hanging from the chandelier. And what do you think Mocha thinks about that? Not so happy. But Michelle's having so much fun acting like a monkey. So there you go, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed the story. And I think we're going to probably do some music sometime soon. So stay well, love you, and be happy.